Energy drives the operation of the natural world and the development of human civilization. The transformation of energy is inseparable from the storage of energy resources. GSL Energy has been deeply involved in the lithium battery industry for more than 10 years, and it's a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, and sales of lithium battery packs. We adhere to technological innovation, aspiring to create a manageable and sustainable green energy ecosystem, and to become a respected enterprise in the industry. Our products are applied in various fields such as shared discharge, home energy storage, and commercial and industrial energy storage. We are committed to providing global customers with professional customized solutions for lithium battery products. We have a forward-looking deployment of the research, development, and investment in energy storage products. We continuously explore intelligent, convenient, and long-lasting energy technologies, infusing the company's development with a constant stream of innovative momentum. This allows green energy to benefit thousands of households, creating an economical, low-carbon, and convenient lifestyle for home electricity use. We delve into the end-user markets, build a comprehensive customer service network, and serve every user well.